The 2026 BMW 421i exemplifies a thoughtful evolution of the Bavarian automaker's commitment to harmonizing performance, design, and technological sophistication. At the heart of the vehicle lies a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four engine, delivering 184 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque. This powertrain allows the 420i to achieve a respectable 0-100 km/h acceleration in 7.9 seconds, affirming its role as an agile yet refined entry in the premium coupe segment. The vehicle's fuel economy, ranging from 6.6 to 7.3 liters per 100 kilometers, positions it as both a dynamic and efficient option for the discerning driver. From an interior design perspective, the 2026 420i serves as a compelling study in modern automotive ergonomics and digital integration. The inclusion of a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, both running on BMW's advanced iDrive 8.5 system, represents a clear prioritization of user experience. Notably, the interface supports wireless smartphone connectivity and voice-activated controls through Amazon Alexa, underscoring BMW's intent to offer seamless connectivity. The cabin materials, ranging from Sensitech leatherette to Vernasca leather, are not merely aesthetic enhancements, but reflective of the brand's enduring attention to tactile and visual quality. Aesthetically, the 2026 BMW 420i embraces subtle refinement rather than radical reinvention. The dark chrome elements surrounding the updated kidney grille, alongside more sculpted LED lighting, provide a modern yet understated visual appeal. On the safety front, the integration of systems such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and rear cross-traffic alert aligns with contemporary standards in automotive safety, thereby reinforcing the model's appeal to both new and returning clientele.